What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to join another crew in NBA 2K26. So let's say you are already in a crew but it's inactive, not many people are playing, or maybe you are not getting rewards, or maybe your friend just invited you to a new crew and you want to join that one instead. The good news is in NBA 2K26 you can easily leave your current crew and join another one. You are not stuck forever. Here's how you do it. Open the menu by pressing the options button, then go over to crews. Here, you will see your current crew details, things like rewards and members. To leave, simply select Leave Crew. Once you are left, you will be able to join another crew. If your friend has a crew, just ask them to invite you and then you can accept the invitation to join. You can also start your own crew and invite other players if you want, though that takes a bit more effort. Or if you wanna join a random crew, select Join Crew, adjust your search filters like park, active times, mic settings and hit search. Sometimes it might say 0 crews, that's just a glitch. If that happens, back out and try again. Keep refreshing a few times and eventually available crews will load up that you can join, and that's it. That's how you can join another crew in NBA 2K26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.